Alright, so here are all the items that you will need for this DIY. Most of these are from the Dollar Tree with the exception of the succulents. I got all of these succulents at Walmart for only $1. You'll need some of these moss stones, some of these black stones. They have a little bit of a brown tint to them. Some of these white stones. You'll need some floral moss and a garden dish. So let's get started. Alright, so first I'm going to go ahead and put some of these black stones at the bottom of the dish. Next I'm going to go ahead and add some of the white stones and layer it with some of the black. You can use any stones that you want and even mix it up if you prefer. I just like this combination. And just so you know, it does leave kind of a dust everywhere. There you have it. Add some of our moss. And this is very messy, guys. I just kind of take it and crumple it up around. Go ahead and add in our succulents, and you just stick them right down in there. Play around with it. It doesn't have to be perfect by any means. Just see what kind of textures you would like, and if you don't like the arrangement, just take them out and put them in different areas. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our artificial stones, and you can just kind of put them wherever you feel like. You can use the Spanish moss as kind of like a filler.